half of the world were Messi and Ronaldo fans, so they chose their sides. We chose the right side, and he is in the wrong one.
Madrid are led by Mbappe and Barca have Lamine Yamal. So how do you see these guys starring for their teams? Will it be the same Ronaldo-Messi effect? Why are Spanish teams so dominant in Europe? Champions League finals में कोई Spanish team आएगा तो they automatically win Europa League as well. What's the secret behind their success? अभी तू एक बात बता, as a Barca fan, are you happy at the way that Lamine Yamal has been coming? क्या लगता है? Do you think he should stay humble and stick to football and not the theatrics outside?
So I respect Lamine Yamal for what he is, whatever he is doing, but थोड़ा humble किया है bro. Come on, like.
But पिछली बार बोल के 4 मैचेस में 4 बार humble भी कराया था.
I just want to ask them the first question. In the times of the Premier League, which is so dominant यहाँ पे इंडिया में, United, Chelsea, Arsenal, Liverpool, massive fan bases. How have you guys become fans of Real Madrid, Barca, Atletico?
Well, interestingly, I think Real Madrid and Barcelona have the maximum fan base in India, and I'm pretty sure about
ये
that.
कहाँ से निकाला तूने start?
I understand the showrunners of La Liga are very bad. They don't care about Indian timings and stuff. But I'm pretty sure about the data that Madrid and Barcelona have the biggest fan bases in country and in the entire world. You can go chat GPT, whatever you want. I'm pretty sure about that.
Plus एक factor हो जाता है कि in our childhood we saw Messi and Ronaldo play in their prime in Barcelona and Real Madrid respectively. So half of the world were Messi and Ronaldo fans, so they chose their sides. We chose the right side, and he is in the wrong one.
I want the Atletico perspective here क्योंकि यार Real Madrid, Barca dominate La Liga. How did you become an Atletico fan?
See, as you rightly said that Madrid, Barca, irrespective of everything that has panned out in La Liga, I think massive respect to the teams that they have. But since you have asked me that how we chose Atleti, I think that's the common principle that every Atleti fan you will meet have. That is the belief that Simeone brought into the team when he first came. And I think pretty much I became an Atleti fan in 2012, 2013, as far as I remember. So that was post Simeone's takeover, and that was the time that we started to peak. That was the peak Atleti time from 2012 to 2018, wherein we reached European finals constantly, although we lost some of them. Yeah. So that was heartbreaking, but yeah, that was the main thing that caught our eyes and drew us towards the club. Players like Griezmann. We had an elite defense, if I may call that, because we had a defense of Juan Fran, Felipe Luis, Godin, Miranda. They were like rocks.
I mean, if you see Atletico's record in UCL, like 2 finals and how many, I don't know, semi-finals and stuff. These guys have been brilliant for the last 10, 12 years, and I think they deserve a massive respect, even though they are rivals.
भाईचारा on top.
Of course, I mean, of course, yeah.
And whenever the chips are down, वो 2 teams के लिए, Barcelona, Real Madrid, they are the ones जो पीछे से आगे लगाते हैं कि भाई तुम लोग आगे भागो. If not for Atletico, Barcelona, Real Madrid would have been like कि.
Prathamesh, your opinion as someone who follows the Premier League and La Liga. You're an Arsenal fan.
Yeah, so basically one of the key advantages of La Liga is the El Clasico, and obviously a lot of people, even the non-La Liga fans, watch El Clasico, right? So because of Messi and Ronaldo, and previously it was because of Figo as well, right?
Anyways, we are talking about star players. It's a good segue. Now, the new era for Madrid. Madrid are led by Mbappe and Barca have Lamine Yamal. So how do you see these guys starring for their teams? Will it be the same Ronaldo-Messi effect?
I mean, yeah, the fact that I think everyone in this room saw the El Clasico, right? कौन है? किसने El Clasico नहीं देखा इस बार? Everyone saw that. And if I ask, शायद United, Liverpool लोगों ने नहीं देखा होगा.
El Clasico.
Like, no, I'm being honest. And I respect Lamine Yamal for saying shit and putting the stories. उसने rivalry को next level लेके गया यार. मतलब I don't know yaar, if you see the viewership of El Clasico, massive. I don't know, 400 million people tuned in to watch the El Clasico.
Lamine Yamal as well as Rafinha now. Rafinha Lewandowski हो जाए, Pedri is a star boy now. So the star clashes El Clasico में it's mandatory भाई, अगर ये नहीं होगा and अगर कोई आग लगा रहा है तो मजा तो आएगा भाई, बिना आग के एल क्लासिको नहीं होती. एंड वी ऑल सॉ लास्ट एल क्लासिको में क्या हुआ, जो 4 बार आ रहे थे ना.
What are your expectations from Diego Simeone this season? बहुत सारे ट्रांसफर्स हो चुके हैं ये सीजन में. At least a trophy, if not something else. Deep run in the Champions League. What are you expecting?
See, trophies तो हर सीजन एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, बट सिंस यू प्ले इन अ लीग एंड अ कंट्री that has teams like Barca and Real Madrid, it's near to impossible, you know, at times. But still, that is the belief that Cholo has brought into the team and into the fans, that we practically expect a trophy every season. So yeah, pretty much expecting a trophy at least this season. Realistically, it's even possible because the kind of team that we have built, Alvarez, Griezmann, Evergreen.
एथलेटिको जीती तो थी ट्रॉफी, सुआरेस को लेके जीती थी. दैट वाज सच अ बिट्रेयल, राइट?
It's not like you guys haven't won the La Liga. 2 बार तो जीत गया है. Prathamesh, why are Spanish teams so dominant in Europe? Champions League finals में कोई Spanish team आएगा तो they automatically win Europa League as well. What's the secret behind the success?
One of the secrets is they play very attacking football. They're defensively very good. If you take an example of, say, Atletico Madrid or even Barca, right? They actually, play a very high line. They defend well, and it's very tough to score against them. So once you're very good defensively, it's very tough to score, and that's why they're very, very dominant in the league.
I have a question for you, Jatin. अभी तू एक बात बता, as a Barca fan, are you happy at the way that Lamine Yamal has been coming? क्या लगता है? Do you think he should stay humble and stick to football and not the theatrics outside?
नो भाई, डू वॉट एवर ही वॉन्ट्स टू डू, बस पिच पे आके अच्छा खेले. तब भाई यही तो चाहिए. अगर एक प्लेयर इग्नाइट नहीं करेगा तो वो मजा नहीं आएगा. द एसेंस ऑफ फुटबॉल, मतलब पहले वी सॉ डिफरेंट पर्सनालिटीज. वी हैड ज़लातान्स, वी हैड काका, या फिर रोनाल्डिनियो से लेकर स्पेक्ट्रम ही इतना बड़ा था हमारा. काका से लेकर गटूसो, इतना बड़ा स्पेक्ट्रम था और बीच में और प्लेयर्स आते थे. सो लमीन यमाल शुड स्टे, जैसा भी है वो. तुझे अगर आग लगानी है तो डाल दे स्टोरी, उसके बाद में परफॉर्म भी करके दिखा. सो आई एम ओके विद हिम भाई. वो उसके बाद उसके परफॉर्मेंस को एनहेंस ही करता है मेरे हिसाब से.
Debate, Rishi.
आई टोटली अग्री कि लमीन यमाल को नहीं चेंज होना चाहिए, यही करना चाहिए, क्योंकि दैट इज व्हाट मेकिंग द राइवलरी बेटर. लाइक मेरे को भी बहुत मजा आया जब लमीन यमाल हारा इस बार, राइट? क्योंकि व्हेन द टॉक इज टू मच बिफोर द मैच, जीतने के बाद मजा अलग आता है. लाइक एवरी बार्सा मैड्रिड फैन विल अग्री, इतना मजा शायद एल क्लासिको में मेसी रोनाल्डो के टाइम में ही आया था. सो आई रिस्पेक्ट लमीन यमाल फॉर व्हाट ही इज, व्हाट एवर ही इज डूइंग. बट थोड़ा हम्बल किया है ब्रो, कम ऑन. लाइक ठीक है,
हाँ मैन, हम्बल तो हुआ है, वैसा कुछ सीन नहीं है. बट पिछली बार बोल के 4 मैचेस में 4 बार हम्बल भी कराया था. सो आई मीन वो भी ध्यान में रखना चाहिए ना.
ऋषि, एक सवाल तेरे लिए यार. एम्बापे का लेगेसी एट मैड्रिड, व्हाट डज ही नीड टू डू टू बिकम द एब्सोल्यूट स्टार एंड आइकॉन दैट ही इज? डज ही नीड टू विन द चैंपियंस लीग दिस ईयर?
ऑफ कोर्स यार, मतलब वो चैंपियंस लीग जीतने के लिए आया है. बट यार लोग ये भूल रहे हैं कि अपने वर्स्ट सीजन में एम्बापे 50 का जीए दे रहा है. दिस इज लाइक पीपल लाइक भाई और क्या करे बंदा. लाइक इट्स अ टीम गेम, राइट? फॉर यू टू विन द ट्रॉफीज एवरीवन हैज टू स्टेप अप, एंड मैड्रिड काफी स्ट्रगल कर रहा है टू प्ले एज अ टीम. बट भाई 50 गोल्स.
That is the end of the La Liga panel discussion. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, boys.